Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I'm going to calculate binomial cube in assembly language. This is formula of binomial cube. A plus b raised to the power of 3 is equal to a raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times a squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b raised to the power of 3. I won't write code from scratch. Instead, I would use code from previous video where I calculated binomial square. If you didn't watch that video, link is down below in the description. First, I will move 3 in R6 because I will multiply by 3. Then I will calculate a raised to the power of 3. And here I need to multiply R7 with R0. And this will result a raised to the power of 3. With b raised to the power of 3 is same, I will again multiply R7 with R1, which is b. Then I need to calculate 3 times a squared times b. So I will first square a, it is R0 times R0, then I will multiply it by 3, and then I will multiply R7 with b, which is R1. I will change this branch name to bin cube, and last I need to calculate 3 times a times b squared. I will copy this code. Now it is a times b times 3. So I need to calculate square of b, it is R1 times R1, then I need to multiply it by 3, it is in R6, and then I need to multiply it by a, it is in R0. And let's now compile this code. I will change format to decimal sign. So in R0 is 5, in R1 is 7. Then I first calculate a raised to the power of 3, it is 125, and I add that to R8, then I calculate b raised to the power of 3, and then 3 times a squared times b, and last 3 times a times b squared. The final result is 1728, which is true, so this program works. This is formula for a minus b raised to the power of 3, so let's do also this. So I need to subtract b raised to the power of 3, and I need to subtract 3 times a squared times b. And let's now compile this code. I will press step out to skip going step by step. I will change to decimal sign, and the result is -8, so this code again works. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.